Oh, it looks like my YouTube live, I think, is actually working. Oh, finally. I don't know why it was not working before. Okay, so I guess I'll probably go through my bias again for the recording for the YouTube. I don't know why it was not working before. Does that mean Top Step X is working now too, maybe? Probably not. I'll just pull back up the TikTok chat. So, coming into the session, I wanted to say I had a bearish bias, but I mean, if this 1 hour candle is gonna flip and close like so bullish, I might question that a little bit. But yeah, Top Step X is not working right now. On the 4 hour though, right? I mean, honestly though, I feel like if we, especially, yeah, honestly, if we close through this 4 hour, I know there is this 4 hour gap up here, but like, I feel like that's one sign that we're kind of starting to move bullish. So honestly, we're probably going to close this gap though. Oh, you know, but I guess I'll say this for the YouTube recordings. I talked about this before when I thought it was working, but it wasn't live streaming YouTube. But I'm having a rough morning, honestly. I mean, yo, so I tried. I'll show you guys this. So I tried to full port news this morning. So I'm literally, I guess the answer here is I'm stupid. I literally traded MNQ by accident instead of NQ. So MNQ wicked down. And somehow, I don't even know, I ended up like 78 bucks. But if we come over here and look, if I did the exact same thing at NQ like I literally intended to, oh, it's 9:30. This is 8:30, right? You can see it only wicked up. So it would have hit my stop limit, triggered me in, and I would have passed all 3 of these accounts in one day. But literally because I was trading the wrong ticker, I'm still, at least I didn't lose the accounts, but I'm at break even instead of, I literally could have passed these accounts and be on a funded account right now. 3 funded accounts actually. But I guess I'm trading eval on stream instead. Top Step X is still not working. So hopefully, I want to see 10 a.m. manipulate down, maybe get a continuation up higher. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie though. I feel like overall, I'm definitely like not the happiest camper today. I mean, like I'll be fine to trade. That's one, like you got to be like mindful of your emotions when you're trading. Like I'm kind of acknowledging I'm not in the best mind state, like the mindset right now, but it's not gonna affect my trading. I feel like I know at what point it affects my trading. You said top step down. I know. I'm not happy about it. You know, the weird thing is, which this confuses me. You said how you are trading. Like, are you asking how? I'm trading on an eval at Alpha Futures, I guess, because this is so weird. Like, this is Project X just through Alpha Futures. It's working fine for them, but Top Step I can't get into. So it's like, why is theirs working, but Top Step isn't? Kind of weird to me. Oh, and it was weird too. I don't know if there's I think there might be some Amazon Web Service issue because when I tried to go live on YouTube for like 10 minutes, it was telling me it couldn't connect, and now it connected. I guess it's working fine now. But I don't know what that was about. I feel like I've never had that happen before. I've honestly been having so many problems streaming lately. But so we did close through. Yeah, I was just about to say, yeah, we closed through this 4 hour. Um so honestly, I feel like that's the first sign that we might start moving bullish. I mean, I fully understand there's another 4 hour right above, but and honestly, I'm definitely very bullish until we hit this 4 hour above. So let me look. I mean, the only thing that sucks, excuse me, the only thing that sucks for me is there's no 5 or 15 minute gap, because normally I say I want to pull back into a 5 or a 15 minute gap, and we really haven't gotten that. Like, I know there is technically this 15 minute gap we're respecting down here, but that's just too far away. It's like we already respected that gap and came all the way up to like this high up here. So I really can't view that anymore. Although maybe if we continue down and open up an unfilled 5 minute gap, like a bearish one, I would target that, honestly. I mean, I gotta play it by year, but I don't know why I still have this data high marked out. It's been swept way long ago. So honestly, it's kind of nice that we're pulling back at 10 a.m. though, because like, if you think about the 4 hour candle, right? Like typically all these 4 hour candles have some wick to the downside, right? So we're pulling back, forming that wick right now, hopefully. The only thing is, I mean, there is a wick to the other side, but I feel like this 4 hour should have gotten tapped into if we're going to continue down, in my honest opinion. I mean, I could be wrong. I mean, I'm not going to keep saying that if we trade really far away from it, but I would not take this inverse right here. Like, I do trade inversions, but like we're not delivering from anything significant in my opinion. Like, yeah, we did sweep with this low, but like honestly, the way I trade, I like to say we're delivering from a 5 or a 15 minute fair value gap. So like taking a trade like this really does not align with my plan. It also, other thing I do not like about this is that the break even point is so close. So I feel like even if you do get a close through this, like you're going break even so quick, and for you to get like a 1-to-1, like even your stop's got to be crazy. I mean, even if you're putting your stop there, it's still 40 points. Yeah, I mean, the main thing that makes this really hard for me to trade, like this range, is like inside here, there's just no 5 or 15 minute gaps. Like, honestly, I feel like if there was a 5 minute gap right here, I'd consider taking an inverse off of it. But like, yeah, there's no 4 minute gap here, and there's like a 3 minute down here that sucks. I get like, there's probably this inverse over here. I'm not trying to take something like that. He said, Pocket Kendo said, fuck, I'm late. I mean, I'm late. You said Top Step shit? Yeah, honestly, I'm not happy with Top Step right now. I've been having a rough morning overall, even aside from Top Step. I came to the charts and it's like black screen. Let me trade my accounts, Top Step. Oh, but you said, are you late? No, I mean, you're not late. I'm honestly kind of late. I was actually trying to go live, and it was saying that, like, I was sending my signal, but it was saying that YouTube, like, wasn't accepting it for, like, 5 to 10 minutes. And I started at 9:45. So, like, I've only been live for 10 minutes, I bet. 15 minutes. At least on YouTube. I think it's funny. I like how I'm opening social media and I just see people complaining about Top Step. Like, dude, like, can you? I want 5 more funded accounts as compensation. Express funded accounts. They will never give me that, but I'll never forget though. There was one time where I think I took a very small losing day or winning day or something. Something happened, but they gave me a free Express funded account, and I was like, "You guys dead ass right now." Like, wait, is Top Step loading? There's a loading thing. Oh my God, Top Step's working. Guys, Top Step is back up, I think. This looks like it's working. It said failed to load OCO brackets, and this is still red. That's not a good sign. I'm scared to touch the accounts. I'll refresh the page. Will it still work if I refresh it? Nah, you suck, Top Step. Looks like Alpha Futures is still working fine. Looks like I'll be trading eval today. You said Top Step is working now? It was working for a second for me, and then maybe I shouldn't refresh the page, but I refreshed the page and it's a black screen again. Oh, wait. Oh, no, now it's working. Okay. Oh, and this is finally green. Okay. Top Step is actually working. I will not be trading an eval today. We're just kind of chopping in a range right now. Is there an SMT at any of these highs? Not that I can see right now. You said I had put a buy limit, then I got kicked out, and now TP. That sucks. Sorry to hear that, bro. Interesting. So we closed to that inverse and never even hit the internal high. Interesting, interesting, interesting. This SMT is holding though at these. Oh, I'm blind. I said there's no SMTs. I had to zoom out. I'm literally blind. There's this SMT right here. I feel like if we do continue down, that's a good SMT to have, I feel like. Honestly, at this point, I'd say I'm pretty bearish. There's just really no way for me to follow my model and take like a continuation short right now. Like, we're not even delivering from any 5 or 15-minute gap, really. It's just kind of choppy where we're delivering from. Like, I know there's other gaps, but... What's up, Samrat? How are you? Looking like ES is moving a lot more bearish than NQ right now. I feel like ES is primed to go to London lows right now. Yeah, honestly, I feel like it's about to start dumping right now. Like, I really can't find an entry, but... Especially the way like these candles are closing right now. I wonder if I could ever get to a point where I could just like look at price and be like, yeah, I have a feeling it's gonna go down. This right here is some serious chop. I wonder what's the news for the rest of the week. There's CPI on Thursday. I will be full porting CPI on Thursday. You said one of them days to stay out the market too choppy? Yeah, right now it's way too choppy. It might give some better structure later, I'm hoping. Because sometimes when it gets closer to 11 a.m. it kind of cleans up. Yeah, I feel like we're probably going to start displacing down now, I bet. If I had to guess. I feel like this is some serious bearish structure right here. Like, it's about to run down. You said PM sessions tends to trade well after a morning with a lot of red folders. Yeah, I feel like sometimes too when AM does nothing, I feel like PM like can do a lot. If that makes sense. Pretty boring right now, to be honest. Not much going on. I mean, just dumping. I really wish we were delivering from something significant so I can like look for a trade harder, but I mean, I'm definitely bearish. I just want a bearish 5-minute gap to open up so I can use that as like a condition to get like a lower time frame short. So hopefully we're going to open up a 5-minute gap here. So this candle is going to close like right now. Hopefully we can open up a gap here. Because then like if we open up the 5-minute gap though, I can use that to look for shorts. Because I'm pretty bearish right now. So I'm hoping. I mean, we're pulling up a little bit. I don't want us to fill in this gap. Because I still have, what, 3.5 minutes till this candle closes for this gap to actually open up. Is Top Step down again? This thing's red. I don't trust it. I think Top Step's down again. And you guys know if Top Step's up for you guys? I'm getting a black screen again. I remember someone in the chat called it Shit Step. I kind of like that name. You said down for me, yeah. It was working for a minute there for me. Alpha Futures is still working for me. Like, I'm not even trying to promote Alpha Futures because, like, I'm an affiliate. Like, it's just nice that they're actually up, right? I mean, why am I on the 15-second chart? You know, if you guys want to buy any more accounts, though, check out Alpha Futures. Discount code TIMB272 gets you 10% off. The 0 accounts are $89 after discount for the 50K. So it's literally the same price as Top Step. Except the platform actually works a little bit, you know? I mean, full transparency, they have a little bit, like, lower of a payout cap. But I think Alpha is just a lot better of a run company, to be honest. But, it's looking like hopefully we're going to open up this 5-minute gap. So I would love for this 5-minute gap to open up. You said you play in the sell? Like, am I trying to take sells? I mean, yeah, I'm trying to take sells. Like, right now what I'm looking for is I want this 5-minute gap right here to open up. And then, lower time frame, I want us to retrade into it and get a clear rejection out of it. And then once we get that clear rejection out of it, I'll take a short. Because, like, we still have, like, this unfilled 15-minute gap down here as a target. We have London lows. We're moving in bearish order flow. The only thing I don't like is we did invert this 4-hour gap right here, and it's not like we tapped into the other one. Even ES... Oh, well, there's a gap SMT, I guess, right? Oh, yeah, never mind. Because ES tapped into that gap. So technically, necessarily, NQ doesn't have to, like, retrade back up to there. But, yeah, so this gap's definitely going to open up. So hopefully we can retrade back into there, even though we're dumping hard right now. I don't know. We'll play it by ear. I wonder what it... I should know this stuff better. Where is the drawing tool? It is array. Right? Yeah. So I want a pullback for a sell because, like, I know it's obvious we're going down right now, but I don't like just taking, like, it would be stupid to take a sell all the way here. Like, it's not, like, yeah, it's running. I like how right as I say that, it starts running. But, like, overall, it wouldn't be a good idea to keep taking trades like this where we're so overextended. Like, we're due for a pullback at some point. So ES is about to take out London lows. I'm relatively sure. No, never mind. No, yeah, NQ is not taking it out. So honestly, it'd be interesting if we start reacting at any of these points, like let's say if ES is going to take out London lows and give a very clean reaction off of it, that'd be something I want to pay attention to. But, I mean, we're in bearish order flow. I guess my funded futures brought back the plan that's daily payouts. I gotta look into that. I'm not too sure how I feel with those daily payout accounts though. I feel like there's always something that goes against you with daily payouts, like in the background. Like you don't just get daily payouts. I don't know. I'm gonna check if Top Step is up. I do not think Top Step is working currently. Yeah, I'm gonna check their Discord. You said Top Step pissing me off? Me too, bro. I love, and I feel like recently, when last time Project X was down, they literally had to shut down their Discord because people were just complaining so much. Like, bro, the Top Step Discord's going crazy right now. Some of these comments are like, "I'm going to MFFU." It is, um, some guy said, "Bro, you guys are getting worse and worse every day. This is like the third or fourth time within 3 months." Some guy said, "I'm about to leave Top Step." And they just keep referring people to the status updates page, and the status update just says, "We're aware of the issue. You may not be able to log in or trade until we resolve it. We recommend you avoid trading." Yeah, I'll just trade an alpha futures. I'm on an eval. But dude, wait. What? Okay, wait. Why are there equal lows at London low? Am I bugging? Dude, oh my god. I'm drooling over this target right now. You guys see this? There's equal lows at London low? I wish I could take this in my funded account, bro. Because there's going to be a short opportunity at some point, and I'm probably going to take it, and I'm probably going to win. I'm only going to win because Top Step down, though. Dude, there's no way we're going to leave behind equal lows at London low. There's literally no way. No way. I want us, if we trade back up to this 5-minute, I'm going to be looking for shorts immediately. You said you're looking at the wrong chart. ES and NQ are the right ones, not the minis. I don't think you've ever used TradingView before. I mean, this is ES. This is NQ. I mean, you know, minis versus micros, because there's like micro contracts when you want to risk lower, and there's mini contracts. But money for hire says not done going down. It's definitely not done going down. I wonder, have we opened up another 5-minute gap yet? Oh, we're actually trading. I'm blind. So we're trading inside this 5-minute gap. So Honestly, so if we can invert like this 2-minute, the break-even point's scuffed. Honestly, but thank you for the follow, A1 Sauce Barbecue. Interesting name. I guess you must love A1 sauce. Nothing wrong with that. No, I'm not hating. So we hit this other 5-minute. Ooh, we're getting a reaction off that a little bit. I would love for us to open up like maybe this 3-minute right here, because then if we close to this 3-minute, at least the risk to reward's not cooked. I'm honestly getting excited the further we trade away from these equal lows at London lows. Like, I gotta double check this. I feel like... So the low over here is 32.75. Excuse me. 32.75. They're exactly equal lows at London lows. The most beautiful target ever. Is there a 4-minute gap? And whatever the highest time frame gap that gets opened in this leg right here, I'm taking inverse off of it. That's either going to be the 3 or the 4-minute, which I guess they're going to... It's... I don't know, we'll see. So we have 2.5 minutes till this gap can potentially open up. I really want this 3-minute to open up. The 2-minute looks like shit. Ooh. I want it to just stay where it is for like 2 minutes. I love I'm subscribed to the Top Step X subreddit too. And this dude's like, "Oh my god, it's down again. Are we serious?" And he's got all these mad emoji faces. Dude, Top Step. So we have what, 1 minute now till this gap's gonna open up? I really want this to open up. — 45 seconds. Because if this gap can open up and we can close to this gap, I'm so ripping these shorts. Since I'm on Combine, I'm not on Combine. Well, I'm on like an eval today. I might go for a bigger target. So we're definitely going to open this 3-minute, which is exciting me. But at the same time, why is this candle waking up so hard? But... So, I mean, there's also this 4-minute. It's going to be a while for that 5-minute to open up, though. Mark's Inverse says, have you gotten a ton of payouts? I mean, I wouldn't say a ton. I've definitely gotten a fair share of payouts. I've probably gotten, like, 15 this year, I guess. Maybe more. I don't actually know the number of how many I've gotten off the top of my head. So honestly, so if we close through this 4-minute, I'm 110% taking this short. But the only thing is, if ES takes out London low before I get that close, I'm not taking this. Because I don't want to see an SNT down there at London lows before I enter. Like if I enter and then it happens afterwards, I'll just go break even. But I can't have it happen before, and this thing's gonna dump. I feel like I just feel it. I gotta be patient. I still gotta wait 2.5 minutes for this candle to close. So I really gotta hope it gives me a good close. Because we're not even halfway through this candle playing out. We're like so far away. Ooh, I like this pullback. So I'm trying to do I'm calculating my position size. Oh, I wish I could take this in my funded account. You know, I got my message of the day that I've been suspended from TikTok. So I guess I'm now suspended for TikTok for a bit. As per normal. Happens every day. Love it. Okay, dude, calm down. I wanted my entry. I really wanted to pull back. That's just such a strong target. Like, equal lows at London low. Like, come on now. Even if this thing closes, like, all the way down here, I'm still taking it. If I take it, what, 72 points stop loss? Honestly, I would take this on a funded account. Like, I just physically can't today because I'm locked out of mine, but this is a good trade. What, so if I take a 70-point stop loss, I'm in for 7 cons, risking a band. So I'm gonna take this if we close through. Ooh, I like that we're pulling back. Ooh. Talk to me nice, Nasdaq. I'm gonna show my executions as soon as I enter. Ooh. Oh, I'm on NQ. God damn it, bro. Okay, I'm in late. I've been fucking up all day today. I really have. I've really been fucking up all day. Oh, my entry's fucking scuffed. Where am I targeting? I'm targeting a little further than that. I'm targeting there. Honestly, though, should I just go for London lows and be a baller today? We're moving mad bearish. I don't know. I probably shouldn't Hail Mary this. I could pass in one day. Nah. What am I talking about? Yeah, I'm gonna start it there. I mean, let me look, right? I mean, on the 15-minute roving, honestly, I could see that shit getting hit. I don't know. This is eval. I'll play it weird. If you guys are signaling me, get out. Here at 149, or yeah, 25 149. Get it if you're signaling me. Get out there. Dude, my entry is 15 points lower than I wanted it to be. Dude, I don't know why. Why am I always looking at the wrong contract? Well, today I was messed up because I thought I was gonna trade on Top Step. This is the second time today though I reversed MNQ and NQ. You know, I'm trying to think. Honestly, I should just follow my own trading plan. Like, if I'm telling you guys to sell there, like, why would I do something different? Dude, there's no shot this thing fails. I mean, it definitely could, but damn. Is this thing actually going to fail? So, I mean, we're tapping into the extreme up here. I mean, like, this is like the last area I'd want to see us tap into to reject down. I mean, damn. RIP. RIP me. It's edging my stop loss. Just do it to me. Just do it to me already. I didn't actually mean to do it to me. I mean, this account, my daily loss limit's like, I have $30 left for the day, guys. What, you guys think we can find a trade with 30 bucks? I'm genuinely surprised that didn't play out. I mean, so why I like that trade? I mean, on the 5-minute, right? So we tapped into this 5-minute gap up here. We're delivering from that 5-minute, and ES like made equal lows at London low. I can't believe we're leaving behind these equal lows at London low. Oh, honestly, is Top Step working? I mean, they told us not to use it. I don't know why. I just have a feeling that it's just going to offer another setup and actually go down. I mean, they got what, 20 minutes left. I'll sit here. I'll see. I mean, I physically cannot take any more trades unless I full degenerate and go buy another eval, but I'm not going to do that. But, dude, this 3-minute or like 4-minute or whatever it is, I feel like it's going to play out. You know, Top Step, I should thank him though. They just saved me from a loss on my funded account. Yeah, Top Step is still not working. I always love when there's a clear draw and there's no way for me to target it. So fun. You said, "Hey Tim, morning man. I slept in pretty late. Just woke up." Honestly, I'm having a rough morning to be honest. But I mean, I'm chilling. You honestly didn't miss too much. I don't know if you used Top Step, but even if you woke up and wanted to use Top Step, it stopped working at like 9:45. Oh dear God. You see this 3-minute inverse right here? Oh my God. No. There's no way for me to take this. It's going to play out. I know it is. I know this shit's going to play out, bro. This shit's going to play out. It's so going to play out. I wish I could take this. So if I had an account to trade, 110%, I'd be ripping this short right now if I had an account to trade. I want to see if this plays out. If this doesn't play out though, price action is cooked today. Because like this definitely should play out. No 4-minute, yeah. double check one last time to make sure not TikTok, Top Step is not letting me in. Nah, Top Step still will not let me sign in. You said, what are your thoughts on 24/7 trading? I think volume's going to be basic stuff, only huge when there's news. Honestly, I feel like a lot of people are getting all bugged out about it. Honestly, I didn't like the idea of it at first either, but I feel like some people are getting all bugged out about it. But, like, it's not like it's going to be, like, 24/7 trading with, like, everything, if you know what I mean. Like, I feel like some of the major stocks are only, like, the bigger investors are still only going to be trading during the regular hours, like 9:30 to whatever. So I feel like the real true volume... And it's not actually 24/7, I think. I was reading something that was like, they break it into 2 sessions. If you know what I mean, but like there's still a break and... Damn. I'm glad Top Step is not up. Because what is this? You know, today is one of those days when, like, for example, like, at least the way I trade... These 2 setups right here, they literally should have played out. Like this is the point at which I recognize price action is dog shit today. Like, price action sucks. Like, at least in my opinion, the way I for my model, like, because if this thing's gonna stop me out, there's no reason, bro. There's literally equal lows at London lows. You said you saw the real dodgy posted. I usually watch most of dodgy stuff, but now I have not. Is it like the trade he took? His most recent trade? You probably can you even see that? Oh wait, the thing about but you're probably talking about the one he posted about 24/7 trading. Yeah, I mean honestly, I think he might not be like fully right with the thing about like he's saying it's gonna affect things. I feel like New York Stock Exchange is still gonna have the most volatility. And dude, this is genuinely insane to me. This setup, these 2 setups did not play out. Genuinely insane. Like, I'm actually glad Top Step was down, honestly, because I would have ripped out of my funded account. Not a good start to the week for me, honestly though. Dude, price action sucks. I'm literally not... I wouldn't even give advice on what setups to take at this point. So I'm going to just wrap up the session as a whole. Because price action's dog shit. But, so coming into the session, I started trading at 9:45. Because I wanted that news to come out first. So, we actually manipulated below, right, the 9:30 low. Right after this 9:45 news came out, we continued up. But honestly, I was kind of bearish. Because, like... I feel like just the way we were moving, like especially here though, once we dumped this hard, I was like, nah, like between this with this SMT up here, right? We're delivering from this SMT. There's actually a gap SMT where like at first I was looking saying, you know what? We inverted this 4-hour gap right here, but we never tapped into the 4-hour gap above, right? So I'm like, what are we delivering from? But when I actually like zoomed in a little closer, I actually realized that ES had a gap at the exact same place, and ES tapped into it, right? The visit said, "What's up, Tim? You said Top Step back up? Honestly, I'm not trading today. I don't like this price action." But yeah. So we never actually delivered to this 4-hour, but ES did, so that made it okay. On the 1-hour, I feel like these candles, like they were looking really bearish at points. But so the thing was, the main reason you said couldn't join earlier was working overtime. You're good, bro. You honestly didn't miss out on much. I don't like the price action today. But so once we left behind these equal lows at London lows, right? So like it's more apparent on the 15-minute chart, right? Like if you look at ES on the right side here, this is London low I have marked out. Right, I mean, me double check. I'm not bugging, right? This is London low. Yeah. So ES came down and made equal lows with London lows. So like honestly, in my opinion, that should not get left behind. Like equal lows are a strong draw on liquidity, especially when they're like swing equal lows. Like this is 2 swing points that are making equal lows. So it's like, what's going on there? So honestly, so once we made that, I think the first setup was on the 4-minute. Yeah. You said, bro, my trade yesterday was actually like a scalp because it ended up getting close to PM session, so I took a little profit. Oh yeah, Visor, I forgot to bring that up. Your 5-minute inverse ended up working out. I remember, I feel like as soon as I got off, it started flying up. But so the first trade that I took, which was on eval, I took this 4-minute close through here because we were delivering from this. It's not unfilled anymore, but we were delivering from this 5-minute gap up here, right? So we tapped into that. We're now inverting the highest time frame gap in this leg. So and both NQ and ES did it, right? I mean, so but I really thought ES needs to come down and take out these equal lows down here, right? So I got stopped out in that setup. I was going for like something like that. And then I got like a ridiculously similar entry on the 3-minute right after. So like I would have taken this setup if I had the ability to. But I really didn't have any accounts I could trade because at the time Top Step was down, and on Alpha Futures I risked my full daily loss limit for that one trade. What is going on the 1-minute chart? Why does Alpha Futures? Is it only on MNQ? I guess Alpha Futures is glitching too a little bit. Whatever. But, so I took this, well, I didn't take it, I was saying I would have taken this 3-minute. Pretty much the same idea, though. We have equal lows at London lows, we're moving in bearish order flow, like higher time frame, and we're inverting the highest time frame gap in this leg, and there's not an SMT down here. So, like, honestly, like, I really am surprised these setups didn't work out today. But, I don't think I have anything else to say, really. Does anyone have any questions on anything I just said? Anything trading related? Because, like, right now, I'm pretty much acknowledging price action is not the best. Like, I'm not trying to keep trading this. And I also, technically, I never took the second trade, but I would have. And my trading plan tells me, like, 2 losses, just walk away. Like, there's bad price action. Because, honestly, there's some days where just price action just doesn't, like, operate the way it should. Oh, and, you know, since I'm going over my full trade recap, I'll show you guys, the other thing. So, this is Alpha Futures, right? So, I'm down this much on the day, but I actually had an opportunity to pass these accounts in one day because, I was trying to put a buy and a sell stop 35 points in each direction, and, I don't know what was going on with me. I guess I'm stupid. So I accidentally did this on MNQ, and if you pay attention here, right, MNQ wicked down at 8:30, but NQ actually failed to do so, and I literally meant to do this on NQ. Like, if you saw I did 3 contracts, like, your max position size is 3 contracts. So, like, I literally thought I was trading NQ. I just forgot to change it back. So I literally would have passed all 3 of these evals in one trade if I put my limits on the right ticker. Because you can literally see, though, like, I literally have executions here. I literally tried to do it, but for some reason I closed my position at, like, $70 profit. But, yeah, so, I mean, that frustrated me before the morning. And then coming into the session, I'm trying to log into, Top Step X. It's not working. TikTok Live keeps suspending me, too. I have a headache. Anyone have any questions? I'll be better and stronger tomorrow, though. Today's one of my off days. Sorry about that, guys. But I'll be back for the rest of the week, 9:30, Wednesday through Friday, every single day. I appreciate all you guys stopping by. Join the free Discord if you're not in there already. Check out Alpha Futures. You can use discount code TIMB272. It'll get you 10% off. You said nice rejection on the 1 hour? I mean, yeah, that is a nice rejection on the 1 hour. But I don't know. I feel like we're bouncing between multiple PD arrays at this point, so it's kind of confusing to me. But, yeah, and also check out Alpha Futures if you guys haven't already. They're my favorite prop firm. But, yeah, I'm probably going to wrap up here. But I'll be live rest of the week, 9:30 to 11:10 pretty much. Peace out, guys.